Okay, guys and gals, this is an update on the n54 2009 335i. And what the problem with this car was that we were getting habitually and continuously cylinder 6 misfires. And we had changed the PVC hose, we've changed spark plugs, we even changed the coil, and it was still there. So now what I found out was the cylinder 6 injector was loose, just like that video from DIY. He had the same problem, and his was a little loose, and he fixed it. But his injector was not in as bad a shape as this. So this had been loose so long, as you can see here, that the carbon and the fuel worked its way up, all the way up. So, and also, if you take a look here, you see that, I don't know if you, let me try to focus. Let's see. Let's see here. Alright, you see that? The Teflon seal on the tip there burnt off completely. So it doesn't even have a seal. So what I did was I got a new seal, and I'm going to put a new coupler on. And then I'm going to try to wrap it with Teflon, just like the DIY channel, BMW DIY channel. And hopefully that will fix our misfires. But before that, I'm going to get some carb cleaner and brake cleaner and MAF cleaner and try to clean the hell out of this injector.